you can bring in something monthly just by signing up to be a Temu influencer. Yes, I've been able to do that, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it, even as a stay-at-home mom or someone just looking to add something as a side hustle. Okay, all you need to do to join is to open up your Temu app, go to the search bar and search this code SEC 7870 28 SEC 7870 28. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the page where you have to authorize your account. Yes, you need 1,000 followers on Instagram or TikTok to be able to authorize your account, or 500 subscribers on your YouTube. Once you have these requirements, you are good to go. Okay, now authorize your account. It's very easy. They'll show you step by step what to do. Once you are approved, you are a Temu influencer, right? From here, you can see that I get a 50% commission on new users, 15% commission on existing users, and then the download reward. Okay, this can be different for different people because of the level you are on. Okay, but good thing is that you can grow your level. Now, what are other benefits you stand to get? As a Temu influencer, you can get samples. All right, let me show you the samples that I have access to. I click on free samples, and you can see all the samples I have access to. This is an AI smart glass. I have access to this. Let me show you really nice things. This is a rice cooker, a ladder, a blender, clothes. This is a coffee making machine, frying pan. So many amazing things. Like, I can even show you that I have access to a phone. Okay, so many nice things. Look at this, a Galaxy A16. I have access to this. I can get this for myself. I can get this for myself as a sample if I wish. Okay, as long as I have enough coins to do this. So tell me, why are you not signing up to be a Temu influencer? Tell me. Another thing I'll tell you, you can increase your coins by joining campaigns. All right, it's very easy. If you want to join any campaign, just go to the post section of your influencer dashboard, and here under create you see campaigns. Go through it and just study all of them so that you can choose whatever it is you want. Let's say, for example, you want to do this campaign. There's a brief here to guide you on the do's and don'ts, the right things to do. Just read through. They also give you like video example of creators that has done something similar, just so that you can watch and get the hang of it. Spend a little time to study the dashboard, and I can assure you that you get the hang of it. You will not be confused. But regardless, if you have questions, feel free to join me. All you need to do is to search the code SEC 787028 in your Temu app search bar, authorize your account, and you're good to go. Do everything I've shown you. And yes, I also forgot to say, you get paid when your videos are approved. When you join a campaign and you make the video or the poster and is approved, you're paid in cash and it's sitting balance. The imbalance is the coins you use to get your samples. Okay, it's that easy. There's nothing so difficult about this. So search the code right now and join. Tell me the good news in the comments. Bye.